They have started now transporting everything to an extent of 30 tons to Saligao plant. Main important issue is about construction of a compound wall or retaining wall, which had to be done in a time-bound manner. Now they have applied for some sort of a permission from the GSUDA. That permission by all probability will be granted by next week, and we'll have to tell the High Court as to what will be the timeline for completion of that compound wall. As far as providing one additional baling machine is concerned, they have tried to procure it from the Waste Management Corporation. As far as transportation of or rather shifting of that waste that is already there to the extent of 10,000 tons, they were supposed to shift it to that basement area. They reported to the High Court today that 5,000 tons of that waste may not be possible to be shifted to the basement. Possibly around 300-400 tons they will be able to shift it. So the government and the Director of Urban Development will look into this as to where this balance 4,000 or 4,500 tons of the waste which is lying there and which has been generated for last 1 year should be presently kept. So that is the call which we will have to report to the High Court.